way this lift station works, the water's supposed to fill up high, the pump's supposed to cut on, lower the water, and then the pump is supposed to cut off. In this case, the water lowered, but the pump did not cut off. So now we're here trying to get this float unstuck. So as a plumber, I keep me a 4x100 plastic on the truck so I can get down, roll it, and get closer or get where I have to get. It's real convenient. So I'm gonna check this out and trying to move this around to see if I can get this float loose. But it looks like I might have to go a little deeper. So the float is designed to cut on and off the pump, but with grease, debris, shifting in pipes, it makes the float, get in a stuck situation and stuck. In this situation, we have noticed that there have been a lot of earthquakes, so it could be a shift pipe situation. We got down there, freed up the float. After getting it situated, we plugged the pump back up and tested a cycle. The water pumped down, the float dropped, and right on cue, the pump finally shut itself off like it's supposed to. Another pump saved, another happy customer. Just another day knocking down jobs with Domino Plumbing. If your system is acting up, give us a call.